Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision. Is it going to change from a want to a need? If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's what that pillow is there to remind me, to remind you guys that it's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit it. It's right underneath the video. It will turn blue. The number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants grow on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, today I'm even more excited than I was on my first premium box, because I get 2 premium boxes on my channel, and I open up everything prior to, so I could take a picture for my Instagram, which if you're not following, you are missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. We do towers. I show pictures of the unboxings, and sometimes when there's sneak peeks and things like that that doesn't deserve an entire video, I share that on my Instagram. So I want to make sure that you guys are following me there too. It's also free, but it's True Wants with the number 2 on Instagram. Okay. So I open up everything prior to take that picture, and then I remove any excess packaging and try to open up any safety seals or anything, so I'm not struggling on the camera, because I sit down here and I just want to play and talk to you about the products and not worry about all that other stuff. So we got the card, everything was in the box, it came beautiful. And one of the products that I was hesitant to, because we had choices already for the next month's box, and one of the items that's in this box that I saw someone open up in a PR box was a choice item in the base box for next month. So I was hesitant because I really was interested in it, but I wasn't sure, because I didn't get my boxes yet, if I was going to get that in the premium as well, because I didn't know what all the other variation alternatives were going to be in the premium. And I didn't get it in my first one. So I'm saying to myself, did I make a mistake? And then in the second box, it did show up. So I'll go through that a little bit more when we get to it, but I want to just go through what we did get, because I am so excited. With the premium box, you get to make 2 choice items. And that's why I kept my second box when I got off the wait list on my second account, because this month in particular, they had some Fenty palettes. And what was unique about these Fenty palettes were they were her snap palettes, which meant if you bought 2, when you were in the store, because it's an exclusive with Sephora Fenty, you would be able to snap them together and be able to have a compact, larger palette that was like cut in half, because it was on both sides. So I was so excited that I had that second box, because this second box, that I was able to order a second one that I'd be able to play with that. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so let me go through this with you. This is the $35 a month box, the premium box on Boxycharm. And this is the first item that we're going to talk about here, is the one that we're talking about, which is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. They're saying it is a game-changing portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich blendable shades in the range of matte to shimmer finishes. They snap together any 2 palettes to double your collection while keeping it perfectly compact. That's going to be 12 of our favorite shades, all in the palm of your hands, like I just explained. So this is the $25 palette. The one that I got is in number 4, Rose. The other one that I received in the other box, I think, was number 7, which was the one that they called Cadet. This comes with a little safety shield, and those are the colors in this one here. So I will swatch these at the end. The names of everything are behind here on the palette, and I will swatch, like I said, everything at the end. So really excited with the 2 that I chose. I think I got so lucky. The next choice item was also a brand that I absolutely love, but I didn't have the opportunity to try a lot of their brand. I always enjoyed their loose setting powder, and I always enjoyed their primers. But now, Laura Mercier, another really high-end brand, this one is called the Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. It is a water-based moisturizer with long-lasting oil control that will hydrate the skin while leaving it into a natural matte finish. This alone, $62. So really excited to have the opportunity to try anything from her skincare line. And I need the mattifying because I am a combo oily skin girl. So this is the second choice that I had. This is a beautiful bottle. It is locked on the top. You just have to turn it to get it to go. And then that is what it looks like here. So let's do a little bit of moisturization here. See if we have a scent. There is a small perfumey scent to it, but usually with higher end brands it is, but it is not strong. So I don't think I have to worry about that. And when I say I don't have to worry about that, it's usually for two reasons. One, sometimes when the higher end brands and you have skin that can be sensitive, you can sometimes, based on those extra things that they put in to make that perfumey scent, can cause some irritation to some skin. But for me, my main concern is, because I'm a migraine sufferer, that if a scent is too strong, it ends up causing, I get migraines every day anyways, but it just would cause it to really, make it probably come on a lot quicker in my mind. All right, the next item is one that I told you, if you didn't watch the first unboxing, I will make sure to leave that linked down below. This is one that I was hoping was going to be in that box, and now I'm going to have a backup of it, or I'm going to end up giving it as a gift. This one here is from Herbivore Botanicals. It is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. And what I said in that first video is, there's a box right now called the A1A that does it's almost like a takeover box. And it used to be every other month. The rumors are now that they're going to change to monthly. But their box this month was a bunch of products from this brand. And this brand right now is being spoken about so much on the Instagrams and I was going to say on the internet, but mainly on Instagram, I'm seeing so much advertising and sponsored posts for this brand. So I'm really excited that I'm going to have the opportunity to try it. This is the one from my other box because I already did a little swatch on this one. This one I am going to keep sealed in the box here. And this one here says it is called, like I said, the Blue Tansy. It is a resurfacing clarity mask. It is a truly natural mask that gently clarifies your skin with BHAs from white willow bark. It has fruit enzymes along with aloe and blue tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. This alone is a $48 value. That's why the box that was, I think, around that $40 range, I thought was such a steal to be able to try an entire brand. But I knew nothing about this brand or anything. And then there were hints that this was going to be in one of the boxes. So I said to myself, I'm going to hold out and I'll see what the spoilers are for their next month's box. Because with me, once I choose to go with a box, I usually stick with it. So I want to make sure that I'm making the right decision to add another box because I already get so many products. I don't know if I need another box. I definitely don't need, it's a want. That's definitely a want. So this is what this looks like here. It has that jelly type of formula. This is the product on the lid. This does have a scent to it that is a bit strong. So this is the only concern that I have with this. But with that said, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try this brand because like I said, I was getting FOMO for myself because there was so much great feedback in reference to this. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products we're talking about, please share that in the comments down below. But I have used other products with fruit enzymes. Years ago, I got introduced through Adrienne Arpel in a spa, and I literally bought her entire collection because of that fruit enzyme. It made such a difference on my skin. So excited that those type of ingredients are showing up in this brand. The next one is the one that was my one that I was like, oh, I hope I get it because it looks so beautiful, and it is from Beauty Bakery. This is the outside sleeve. This one here says it is the Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. It says it's so creamy you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after you'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow. With the silky smooth Milk and Honey highlighter, grab your bakeware and strobe mix or layer into abundance. This is crazy. So this is $38 value in, like I said, a $35 box. But I saw that this was a choice item for the girls next month who get just the base boxes. But for the girls like me who get both, I know a couple of you wrote that you were disappointed that, it took some of your choices down, to the amount of choices that you had to choose from because this is something you've already received. But my other box didn't get this. So not everybody had the opportunity to get this. So I love that, number one, the people that don't get the premium and only get the base can still have access to some of the products that we get in the premium box. but more importantly, that it's so stunning that so many people will have access to this. I'm so happy that my second box got this. So really excited about this. It's all highlighters. They all are different shades. I saw it swatched. There wasn't that much of a difference in all the shades. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with this palette, because highlighters for me, I take to me forever to go through, but these palettes are so beautiful that I'm probably going to end up using it, and if I do, you will see it in one of my MOTD videos, which I do. And if you ever want to search for those, you can definitely search. My MOTDs are when I do what I call the makeup of the day, where I try and test all the products, and then I share with you my reviews on the products that I've had the opportunity to use. And those I usually film, and then I keep them when I'm not unboxing or don't have like deals or steals or things that are going on that are, I need to get those up first. So those always do show up. So if you ever want to search for those on my channel, you simply go to the video area in my page, and then you type in the search MOTD, and then those will pop up. So you'll be able to catch up on other ones that I've done in the past. The next item here is from Complex Culture. And this also was causing a little bit of controversy, because this is a brand that is works with Ipsy's other business, which is actually manufacturing and developing products. I am so excited that this brand is now being opened up into the Boxycharm family, because a lot of people who get Ipsy do not get Boxycharm. But because they're all under the same umbrella now, and that Ipsy owns Boxycharm, there is going to be some crossover. And because I get both Ipsy and Boxycharm and all the boxes, in both, I know I'm going to get some crossover products now in both, because of that umbrella being, over both companies. But the brands that they're choosing to put in are ones that I'm so happy that if people haven't had the opportunity to get, they're going to get to try. And if you end up with a second one of these, this is going to be such a fantastic gift to give to anybody, male or female, is why I'm so excited that so many people are going to get this. So I'm leaving this one in the box because that's exactly what I'm going to do with it. And then this is the one that is actually from my stash. So I did receive this already in my second box, my other box of this, and now again in this one. But that was the only duplicate item that I received, and what a duplicate to get. This one is a $58 value on its own, and it is the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This is a sonic powered tool that delivers a modern facial massage to increase your blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone your facial contours. Give yourself that daily luxury of an at-home massage of temporarily smoothing and sculpting your face, rejuvenating your scalp, your skin. It's just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. You just have to add a battery into this. It is a heavy duty. This is not a lightweight product. It is so well made. It's like the rose gold, and all you do, and all I can suggest, is that you make sure to put a serum on first so it glides a little bit easier, because you really do not have to put a lot of pressure on this at all, but it's always easier when there's a serum to help with the glide. So excited that so many people that get, I don't know if this is in everybody's box, because I really didn't get any spoiler that told me what the other alternatives were going to be and what the variations were going to be. Like I did for the base box and the luxe, I saw that they had that and I shared that with you guys, but I didn't get one for the premium. So excited that I hope everyone gets the opportunity to get that as well. And then the last item that is in my box is one that is an absolute winner. This one is from Verb. This is their Ghost Oil. To me, this is probably one of their best products. I haven't had the opportunity to try anything else but this, so I shouldn't be saying that, but I am enjoying this product so much. This is a lightweight hair oil that revitalizes strands from roots to ends. It is powered by an oil that blends that works to hydrate and fight frizz. It's proven to enhance your shine by 75%, and that was done in a third-party lab testing setting after applying it to dry human hair fibers. This is an $18 value. This will last you a lifetime. I have mine from my hairdresser from years ago, and I still think I still have it above the little area here. You need very little of this. I should take mine out from my area that I do. You know what, I'm not gonna pump this. The scent on this is scrumptious as well. It's a very lightweight oil. You put a little bit in your hands, you put it here, and you start with your ends, and then whatever little flyaways you have. It is so scrumptious, and it's really nice, if you're going out in the evening and you know, someone's going to come by that they're going to sniff your hair. This is what makes it scrumptious. So really excited that so many people are going to have the opportunity to try that as well. All right, let's do some swatching of the Fenty. So like I said, there's a full mirror on the top. Those are the colors that we have here, and I will do some quick swatches and we will be done. So those are the first three that are here. Oh, you know what? I put a I put something on my hand here, so let me just take that off first. Okay. All right, there we go. Yeah, they're stunning. I was impressed with the first one that I had the opportunity to swatch. I haven't played with any of these yet, so like I said, if you've played with any of the products, you know, because my boxes don't always come, you know, at the beginning of the month. So a lot of other people do, and you watch me. I want to make sure that you share in the comments, because your point of view is important to me, and it's important to others too, because everybody, you know, has a voice, and I want to make sure that everybody is heard. So that is the other three there. So this is stunning. Stunning, stunning. So excited to have the opportunity to try these products. And like it said, it has that snap that you could put this one and the other one together. I wish I had it out here because I would play with that here, but I'm going to definitely be playing with it and doing that and putting them together, because that feature alone I thought was absolutely fantastic. So I will leave everything down below of what we received in this box, and I will make sure to put the variation number and everything in the description box down below. Also, as my channel is growing and I do get codes that have discounts, some are affiliate, I don't know, but the one that I just got most recently was in reference to an advent calendar from a new box that's on my channel. It's not an affiliate code, not that that should matter, but it is like a $20 off an advent calendar. So whenever I get those codes, I don't talk about them a lot. Just scroll down on my description box under the video. You will see all of the discounts. If I get them, I share them with you, because I'm a consumer too. That code works for me just as well as it works for you guys. So I want to make sure that if I'm able to access any of these codes as my channel grows, I always ask, and if they offer, I take it and I put it in the description box down below. I also have all of my links for any box that you see on my channel. Those are in alphabetical order all the way down at the bottom of my description box, because as I add anything, I add it in that area there too. So always periodically go into the description box underneath and double check, because as I grow, I try to share as much as I can, but I don't want to talk about it all the time on the videos. So I want to make sure that you guys just know to check the description box down below. All right, take care, everybody. Everybody continue to stay well, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.